Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I have got a fabulous guest in my studio today. Her name is Tasia and she is my granddaughter. Tasia, would you like to say hi?
Hi!
And how old are you, Tasia?
8 years old.
8 years old, and she's going to do a swipe with her grandma. Grandma's going to go first.
I'm going to turn 8. I'm going to turn 9 in August.
Yes, you are. You're so awesome. Okay, Grandma's going to do a swipe quickly to show you how it's done, and then you can do yours, okay?
Okay.
All right, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it.
And give us a big thumbs up.
Yes, thank you, Tasia. And Greg's going to hit some music, and we're going to have some fun. So we're going to do some TLPs, which are the pigments. I've mixed up, and sorry, I should show you it this way. I'm doing Inferno, Watermelon, and I'm also doing Liquitex Dioxazine Purple with just regular house paint right out of the can. Okay, hon, hit the music. Let's have some fun. So first we're going to put the house paint down, which Grandma will do for you. We're ready to do your painting.
You're doing all the house paints and that kind of paint, the black paint. What color do you need first?
Purple.
I can't wait to see how it turns out. Maybe next time when I come for the painting that I made, I can probably do another video with you. This doesn't look like your videos with you anymore now that you're 13. Right? But at least I still do it. I'm born like this, so I'll be like this my whole life.
So you're watching what Grandma's doing?
So like it's in that order: purple, white, hot pink, and then the watermelon color, watermelon pink. So in that direct order that I have to give you them in, right? Right, Grandma? So now I know what order it is. Maybe when you're done yours, you can pass me the colors.
That's it. That's all we need. And then Grandma's going to take away.
Do you know the order where my colors are in? That's how the orders don't be for me. Just like you did with yours.
And you'll watch what Grandma does.
And then swipe. Whoa. Cool. Can you hold on to my balloon? This is Mr. Balloon. Cool. Maybe it's going to also tell my friends about your YouTube video. Did you like that? You should probably make posters of it. You don't do that part too, because I'm a child. So you don't do the swipe part because I can't do that part. So you're doing the white part, the swipe part, and the torch part.
Yes.
Can I do that? Can I do that?
See, watch.
I get to do that part too, right?
You can do whatever you want.
Right, but the torch is mostly what you don't want me to do. Okay, that's dangerous. Dangerous, right? I keep talking in my baby voice for some reason. I haven't did that voice in a long time.
So now Grandma's going to spin it out. You want to see what happens?
Wait, can I do the spinning? Can I do the spinning really?
You do lightly. Just lightly spin it.
Whoa. Then it puts the colors everywhere? So you're you're doing the fast part, right? In my one, I'm going to do both of the spins.
Slower.
Wait, can I do that last spin?
Well, it's going to be a couple of spins, so I'll do one more fast one.
Whoa, that looks really cool. Can I quickly go that water ball?
You can't do it while the radio's going on.
But I just wanna celebrate.
Last spin.
'Cause it's a good day, good life.
I think that last spin made it look better. With making all the colors go everywhere. Wait, that's shaped like a heart. It's shaped like a heart in the middle.
See how Grandma has paint. Let's not touch the painting, but see how there's paint that's not moved yet? Grandma's going to get a little bit of paint on here. We just spin it a little bit.
There's nothing
It's okay if it goes off the sides, right? Because that's already painted from each time you did it. Grandma, when did you get the idea to first make your own YouTube video?
One of the ladies at work asked me to show us how to do it. Okay, I'm going to spin it again. Watch out in case it's falling, okay?
So, YouTube video is your hobby? This is your second job to make money.
Hopefully one day.
How many subscribers do you have? 748. That's a lot. Wait, in your next time I come, I want to do another YouTube video, and you can say this.
Okay, hold on. Grandma's going to show her painting, and then we're going to do yours.
I can probably say what I want to say to you after the video is done.
Okay, what do you think? You like it? You want it all done?
What to say? You are my light, reaching through my fears in the dark of the night, so I can see.
There's a square on
Little
it.
drop of sunshine at the right
that?
time when things look great. A little drop of sunshine is all I need.
My turn.
Every day I'm in the sunshine.
Okay, now this is going to be wet paint. This is all going to be wet paint. Okay?
Here you go.
Hold on one second.
You need more paper towel?
Just for you.
Here's Mr. Balloon.
Okay, hold on while we clean up my purple mess.
So uninspired and
You
yet
don't have to keep this away from Trenton because you'll pop it.
to make me smile. I know I am loved no matter what I do. I can't say enough about my love for you.
And you don't want yourself to have a big mess with purple stuff all around the table.
A little drop of sunshine at the right time when
Beautiful. Wait, Grandma, if you had a bigger packing room, you could make a whole room full of packing. You can put the camera and the table over there and put all the rest of your craft stuff everywhere.
Okay. This is going to be your swipe area. And then we'll go around and do the box.
I'm just going to go away for now. I'm just putting on the little bin watching me.
break my dawn, pour all your love on me.
So you're doing that part because you know it'll spill everywhere.
Can see
You won't be mad, you'll just be a little disappointed.
when things look great.
Or disappointed.
Sunshine is all I need.
Or disappointed.
Day, a little drop
Well,
of
disappointed isn't mad. It's just a little mad and a little happy.
So you stand here. And the first color you should put down is this one.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's the order it's in.
Yeah, so just do a couple of lines, however you want. Hold that over top of your painting. hard, honey, so put another couple lines towards the bottom. Dip your cup. Don't spill your cup. Put it over here. A little bit more of a line down here. One line this way. Okay.
I'm just putting stuff everywhere.
Okay, are you done with that color? Okay.
Wait, I think I want to do all the colors a second time just to make sure I have enough of
Okay,
it.
hold it over your painting, please. You're getting it everywhere.
Well, this one is looking real good.
Okay, not in the same spot. Separate it out. In this section.
Making
More
the
paint, honey.
dots.
So dots orange. We're gonna spin it out. It's not gonna show. There you go. Down here. There you go.
At the top, on the side, on this side needs.
Okay, put the spoon back in.
Well, that's a lot of paint.
Okay, you got paint here, so don't touch nothing. Purple. Spread it around. That's right.
Bring out all the white spaces.
Yeah, but that's gonna spin out how you want to stick in this area down here where you keep this thing. More purple.
You don't be doing this with Presley soon.
Yeah. Okay, more purple down here. You need to get more paint on your spoon. Purple down there. Line it straight across.
I'm just putting little, like, squiggly.
Okay. Now you want a little bit more teal.
Because there isn't enough teal. The teal just wiping off. I should have done the hot pink
If you don't
first.
spill that.
Grandma, I should have done the hot pink first, then the purple, and then the teal. Because the teal doesn't show that.
It will, honey. You'll be surprised. Here you go. Okay, you want to do a little bit more teal in the middle? There you go. A little bit more teal right there. There you go.
I'm just filling
There you
up.
go.
I just fill up the whole circle just for no blank spaces.
Okay. Now, you just got paint in your hair, honey? So don't do that again, okay?
It's just itchy. Can you do the swipe?
You want Grandma to swipe it?
Wait, how about we do it together?
Okay, we'll do it together. Very lightly. Slowly, honey. Okay, there's one.
That's turning out better. That's probably turning out better than yours, Grandma.
Yeah.
Because I filled up the whole circle.
Okay. You want to help Grandma do it?
Wait, this time you do it by yourself, and the last one I do by myself, right? The last swipe is for me to do.
So listen to Grandma though. You have to do it very gently over top of the color. Grandma's going to turn this. And this is the spot you're doing right here. See this? Right there, very light. Light. There you go. Grandma's just going to help us move this spot. Okay?
Then we spin it. Wait, torch it.
Hold on.
First we torch it, then spin it. Okay, just pass it. Just to help it dry a bit and stick like that.
Now, do you want to do lines like Grandma did?
So how you?
Okay, Grandma.
Oh, big one. I want to use the big side.
Hold on for 1 second while Grandma gets some action for you. Okay. So now when you do it, you're going to put it down on here. So do your swipe and put it down on here. Gentle, honey, gentle. Come over here. Watch how Grandma does it. Can I show you one more time?
It kind of looks like a rainbow with light colors.
Yeah, watch. Grandma do it. Go like this and keep the line going right through all the way to the end of the canvas. See?
With you, the sun is shining.
Now I want to try the little
The
one.
little one, maybe up over here. Let's turn it.
It feels like we're
So I'm doing a pattern.
Yeah, off the canvas, There you go.
I know I can lean on you.
So 2 big ones
Oh,
and
you
2
catch
little
me like
ones,
a
right?
leaf falling from
You
a
want to do
tree.
one right here.
If you'll be a shooting star,
And-
make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling. Never felt so real. My heart is
Whoop.
on the
So you don't
table
wanna hold
'cause
over
you're
your
my
canvas, see?
everything.
You
I do.
haven't got-
Oh, I know what you're doing. You're trying to get all the extra paint off of it, right?
When you're around, I know it's true.
Grandma will show you.
Because you don't
Right
want
here?
You make me
Look.
feel
I can
so
see it from the
good,
camera.
baby.
Okay.
So good,
And
so
then the
good.
spin.
Every single day was
So one
gonna
little
I
spin.
wanna
Go
be
full
with
spin.
you.
And then
Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do.
when fast
Feels
spin.
so good, so
Whoa,
good.
that's turning out really good. Kind of looks like that
When I
pink
wake
spot
up
right
in
up
the
there is an
morning and I
eye.
see your
And the other parts are a body
I'm
part.
becoming blind by a
Just like
dazzling
yours has a
rays.
shape.
What a
Mine does
beautiful
too.
feeling to
It's a
be
little
close to
animal.
you.
I
There's
think
nothing
that's
else
a
I
spot.
wanna do.
Okay, you want to go spin again?
Move from the fields of
It's a
flowers
pattern.
you chose to
Slow,
feed
big,
me.
slow, and
You're
then one,
spreading sugar
and the
on
last
my
big one.
misery, and I don't fake this kind of
Don't
feeling.
stop it.
Never
Keep it
felt so
spinning.
real. My
Yeah,
heart
a
is
little
on
bit
the
of
table
pink.
'cause you're my everything.
give it a
I
spin?
do,
You can do the last fast
I wanna
spin, Grandma.
marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so
See, we got
good,
more
babe.
paint with it.
So good,
Yeah,
so
and
good.
yours.
Every single day was
My
gonna
grandma
I
has
wanna
more
be with
painting
you.
than yours. It's going everywhere because
Baby,
I
take
put a
my
lot of
hand,
paint
hold it
on.
tight, just like you do.
Yeah,
Feels
got
so
it.
good,
Thank you.
so good.
Got some white paint on me, but it doesn't hurt. Can I have a paper towel for that?
Yes, you can. Hold on 1 second.
It kind of looks like I'm bleeding a bit.
Grandma will get you paper towel in 1 second, okay?
It kind of looks like I'm bleeding, right?
A little bit. But
When
if
you're
you're not,
around, I
you know
know
you're
it's
not.
true.
Yeah, it's just pink
The
paint.
way you make me feel
Yeah.
is so good,
Whoa.
babe.
Cool
So
patterns,
good,
huh?
so good.
Wait, kind of
Every
looks like
single
the
day was
paintings in
gonna
your
part, I
little
wanna be
downstairs
with you.
painting place to save all your paintings.
Baby,
Kind
take
of
my
looks like
hand,
those
hold it
ones.
tight, just like you do. Feels so good, so good.
Think we're happy now?
That's cool. Can I have a paper towel now
Feels
for
so
my arm?
good, so good.
Section is not got paint.
Feels so
I'm just
good,
doing
so
that paper towel
I'm
myself.
gonna hit the painting. Are you worried about having paint on you?
Actually, I already dried.
Yeah.
Dry paint now.
Grandma will give you a.
Wet cloth.
Yeah.
I'm just wiping it off a bit just to like try to get all the dry paint off.
Okay. You happy with your painting? Beautiful. Grandma's gonna pull it out.
I think it's gonna be hard to. I think it's gonna be like. I think it's gonna take 3 weeks to dry.
Well, we're looking to see how much paint is on there. It's pretty good.
It's gonna take 6, probably 3 days for it to dry, Grandma. Right?
Okay, now we're both gonna wave. Wave to the camera.
Bye.
Down
See you
lower.
next
Down
time.
lower. There you go.
See you next time.
Okay. We're done.
I've been wondering where'd you go? Try